quite often the first difficulty is somebody admitting that there's a hearing loss in the first place. Very often it's other people that might notice it and not you. And I think sometimes to take that first step can be a bit daunting. But once you're over that, it just becomes a lovely thing that you're relearning to hear. There's sounds that are happening all day, every day that you might not even be aware of. So it's not something to be scared of. What's really important to us as the directors is that it's not a sales environment at all. It is a clinical environment. We want to have friends as well as patients, so people come and see us, and it is a case, if someone's in trouble with whatever it is, we'll help them out.
So we get to know the person, we get to know their needs and what their requirements are, and they get to know us as well. So you build a bit of a rapport with your patients, and that way you can really make sure that you understand what their requirements from fine-tuning and adjustments are, and that's really a way to make sure that they're getting the best out of their hearing solution. Where
we are more specialist is that we're looking at helping people relearn to hear, as opposed to just giving them a hearing aid, which is a product-centric process. We look at the whole thing as a developing process to help them hear, not just for now, but for the years to come as well.
Comfortable is the word, really, because you can phone up reception. They're very friendly. They know you, and actually, I'm not just a number on a National Health Service list. They do know who you are.
It's relaxed. It's not. I didn't feel like I was being given a sales pitch. It was for my benefit, and that's why it was being done, and that's how I felt anyway.
That's really good. So I feel I got the best going, and I'm really satisfied.
The guys genuinely do listen and care about the product which they're giving, making sure that it's right. I had a phone call last week actually from Sam to say that there's some new hearing aids came up onto the market, and he feels that I'll benefit from those. So I'm quite excited about finding out more about those.
Every patient is very different, and patients may indeed show same test results, but their difficulties are going to be very individual to them. So it might be that some people struggle at work, some people may struggle at home, whatever it may be, and we see our role is to identify all of their hearing difficulties and to address them on an individual basis.
So we want to make sure everybody that's fitted with a hearing aid gets a comprehensive trial period. The standard trial period is 45 days, but we do have flexibility in there to ensure that we are delivering the right product for each individual.
What we're trying to do is discover what your hearing is like. And it may be that your hearing is absolutely fine and we need to just keep tabs on it every couple of years. But if we do find something, then we can advise what is wrong. We can show you comparisons about how your hearing is compared to somebody with normal hearing, and then we can talk about things that can help you and your family and friends to make your life a little bit better.